Good morning, everybody. It is Sunday in South Florida. Things are looking pretty good out there. Matter of fact, I'm just going to do this quick demo and I'm going to go out and do some exercise, take my dog for a walk, get things done. So today, I would like to introduce some of our partners on the automation flow side. And what does that mean? That means that it's imperative that you nurture and develop relationships with your customers, like whether they're a homeowner or just somebody browsing your website or somebody lands on your blue page. It's important. It's very important that you collect their data. Number one. Number two, it's important that you start a relationship with them by following up and nurturing on that data. So today, I'd like to highlight client Tether and their capabilities of setting up automated lead nurture follow-up processes from a blue page. So in order to do that, I'm just going to go into a demo site over here on the Blue Pages Pro. Let me get rid of that. Okay, cool. So here we are. We're on Blue Pages Pro. Let me hop over here to yesterday we did a demo on Roofar, and today I'm going to discuss client Tether and their abilities and their capabilities in structuring up nurturing follow-up in flow. If you know anything about landing pages, and I really don't like to call them funnels. That's so 2017, 2018. But let's face it, a funnel is a funnel is a funnel. Information comes into a form. It comes down through different stages of nurturing, where eventually you're going to do a demo, maybe get the sale, and then you take the funnel and you flip it upside down. And that's when the R4 method kicks in, which stands for reviews, referrals, rewards, and retention. On what you do after the sale, your consultation processes, which can also be automated through this system. So let's just focus in on this portion of the Blue Page today. On a Blue Page, which is designed to help you connect, convert, create more relationships in your local marketplace from homeowners that are seeking your services. The first step of this is a big call to action. All right, so solarroof.io is a demo site where we could do solar and we could do roof, right? So, of course, our call to action and our offer is a roof inspection or energy audit. So down here is where the video would speak to that. Hey, it's Chris with solarroof.io. And if you're interested in a roof inspection or if you're interested in solar, we could do an energy audit on your home. Just fill out that form above. And if you're interested in financing, click the box. We'll be in touch with you. So here's the beautiful thing. Customers here, they get the postcard in the mail with a dynamic QR code that we give you. Or maybe you left a door hanger on there because your guys have 5x5x10, the neighborhood, and they scan the QR code and they land on your Blue Page. Okay. The next step is for them to fill out this form. So Chris Scoville, phone number 813-767-0236. And you guys can really call me. That's my cell phone. And CLC Scoville at Gmail. It's that simple. Are you interested in financing? Yes, sure. Why do I have that button? We have an internal CRM that we built. If the consumer wants financing, they go into the financing lead CRM. If they don't want financing, they go into the other one. So we do have an internal CRM. We also have the ability of Zapier or building an API for you for this data form to go into your existing CRM. So if you have a CRM right now and you'd like this data to flow into that smoothly on your nurturing and your follow-up and your distribution processes, that's perfectly fine as well. Because the first thing you want to do is get this over to a sales rep within like minutes so they can call Chris Scoville and say, hey, thanks for filling out that form over on our Blue Page. When can we come on by? Or if you'd like to do a virtual presentation or a virtual sale, when can we set up a meeting online so I can walk you through the process? Okay, so that's kind of like the first step. It's called speed to lead. All right. Now, what can client Tether do for you? They can build you an entire lead flow follow-up nurturing campaign system, including SMS, email, and its flow is automatic through it. And that's really what we're here to talk about today, is setting up those systems and the processes that once somebody hits your form, it goes into your client Tether CRM system and the nurturing and the processes begin. Now, of course, you want to set up the appointment. That's super important. But what else is important when somebody fills out a form and gives you your data is that you load them into your CRM so you can nurture the relationship. And what I mean by nurturing is you want to build the relationship without being salesy. You want to let them know about your services. Boom. You want to let them know about you and how you can help them and the why. Maybe you want to let them know who your OEM manufacturers are, your warranty, how you do work, your 7-step process. Maybe you want to show them pictures of your projects. Maybe you're using company cam or showcase galleries, right? This is where it all begins at point data, because data is diamonds and diamonds is data. And if you're not collecting data, and if you're not nurturing them and following up with speed to lead performances to get there, to get in front of them very quickly, they're just going to keep clicking and keep going. Whether it's on Google or whether it's on the Angie or whether it's whatever system out there is, you got to call them. You got to communicate with them. You got to get that appointment set up. You got to get in front of them. So that's what forms are for. That's what follow-up is for. That's what nurturing is for. Maybe you have a monthly newsletter that you want to educate them on the benefits of solar, the benefits of your roofing systems. This information right here is where Client Tether comes into play to help you build those systems and those processes out. Okay, so that's what that's all about. Let's go take a look at their page. We're going to go back to Blue Pages. We're going to go to integrations. We're going to head over to our partners page. And I'm going to take you to Client Tether so you can go check them out. So let's get here. Oh man, my computer is super, super fast. Partners page. There we go. Great. Here's Client Tether right here. So if you are interested in speaking to the folks over at Client Tether, just simply head over to bluepages.pro or Blue Pages Pro, go to the bottom, click partners, and you will see Client Tether's information right here. These guys are great. They'll set up a demo. If you're interested, you can literally just go here and schedule a demo now. That information will come to me, and I'll send you over to those guys so they can walk you through all the different systems and processes that they have in place. So you can make sure that somebody's filling out your form. You're nurturing them. You're educating them. You're building the relationship. You've got speed to lead. You're dripping on them. You're getting to them quickly. You're getting to them before anybody else can get to them. So it's like super, super important. All right. So Blue Pages Pro and Client Tether have developed a way for you to nurture the relationship from lead form and follow up with them so they can fall in love with your services. If you're interested in this, head on over to Blue Pages Pro, head on over to partners, click on partners, go to Client Tether, click on Client Tether, schedule a demo today, and we'll hook you guys up with Client Tether. All right. Have a great Sunday. We'll talk to y'all soon. Bye now.